The philosophers have only interpreted the world in many ways. The point is to change it. In various ways. The point is to change it.
Jerry, you're late again.
Sorry, sir. Traffic lang.
Traffic will never be an excuse. Hurry up and stop texting.
Maria, please step away from the window. They're still taking the exam.
Ma'am, is a promissory note really not allowed?
Maria, this isn't your first time. The school has already warned you.
But Papa said we'll pay by lunchtime, Ma'am. Promise.
Okay, but I'm not allowed to have you take it until then. But you have to, today. Your low grades alone can't pull you up.
Huy!
Hey! Should tayo 1 o'clock?
Oops. Last chance, Jerry.
Sir.
Yung mga magpapadala, pag-ready na lang yung mga form.
You have claim code already, ma'am.
Not yet po, sorry. Pa,
Ilona, pasensya na, hindi ako umabot eh.
okay lang pa. Baka di ko lang rin deserve graduate agad. Mahina naman talaga ako. Babagsak rin naman ako.
Anak, huwag mo naman ganyan yung sarili mo. Gawin mo para sa'yo, para sa atin. Naipapasa mo yan, kaya mo yan.
Okay lang yun pa. Sayang lang pera mo eh. Sorry kung di mo ako may pagmalaki.
Anak,
Excuse me po.
Hello, Pa?
Anak, kayang-kaya mo yan. Believe in yourself. Huwag kang mag-alala. Lagi akong proud sa'yo.
Love you, Pa. Thank you po.